I'm Lisa Croston, broker owner of Century 21 ProLink. Let's find out what's new in real estate this week. Let's talk about something new every homeowner should understand: lead service lines. A lead service line is the pipe that connects your home plumbing to the city water main. If that pipe is made of lead, or if there is material that could be lead, that can affect your water quality and long-term maintenance. Starting January 1st of 2026, the law requires sellers to state on the real estate disclosure form if there are known lead service lines at their property. This change comes from the EPA lead and copper rule improvements. Do you have questions about lead service lines or about this disclosure? Drop them in the comments below and reach out. We're here to help.
Hello and welcome to this week's Century 21 ProLink update. This is JRB here with Property Pros Group. Le Mars, Iowa is currently in the running to be named one of America's favorite small towns in a nationwide vote celebrating towns with populations over 250,000. The Sioux Central Youth Wrestling Club was given the Community State Bank building in Sioux Rapids, and they have plans to renovate the 100-year-old building into a state-of-the-art wrestling facility funded by private donations. They hope to have this project completed later this fall. And finally, Northwest College announced 100% placement for its class of 2025. This means that all graduates were either employed or continuing their education, marking the first year this has happened since 2016. Tune in next week for your weekly Century 21 ProLink update. Trusted, connected, relentless.
Hey guys, Madison Ouradnik here. I just wanted to hop on and introduce myself a little bit. I am a realtor with Century 21 ProLink in Sioux City. I am licensed in both Iowa and South Dakota. Being a recent grad from USD, I do have my bachelor's in business administration as well. I had a passion for real estate for a very long time, and not just selling houses, but guiding people through one of the largest decisions that they make in their life. So I look forward to working with all of you. I'll see you later.
It's time for your C21 community update, and Siouxland has some fun events happening this weekend, so let's jump right in. Friday, January 24th, head to Hinton Community Center for Keys and Cocktails, a Hinton Growth Organization sponsored event. Enjoy live piano music, great drinks, and a fun night out. Perfect for a date night or a night out with your friends. Happening Thursday and Friday, January 23rd and 24th, it's the Okoboji Kite Festival. Bundle up and head to the lake to watch the sky fill those colorful kites. It's a winter favorite and fun for all ages. Whether you are sipping cocktails indoors or chasing kites outside, there is something for everyone this weekend. So tell us in the comments, which events are you checking out? Or do you have an upcoming event that you would like us to feature? Drop it below. This has been your C21 Community Update. Tune in next week to see what's happening in Siouxland.
Let me show you where you can find all the open houses for Siouxland this weekend. So all you need to do is go to our website, c21prolink.com. You can do this on your computer or on a mobile device, and you just click on open houses at the top of the browser. You can scroll through and find all the open houses that are by a Century 21 ProLink agent or any other real estate agent in the area, and pick out which open houses you're going to see this weekend.
Thank you for tuning in to our weekly segment. We work hard to be the best.